In this lesson, we're going to discuss regular expression performance in MongoDB. Specifically, we're going to discuss how we can utilize indexes on regex conditions. In the lesson on text indexes, we learned that we can create indexes on string fields to support queries using the $text and $search operators. But sometimes we don't want to add the overhead of text indexes to our deployment. In these cases, we can fall back on using vanilla indexes and using regular expressions. Unfortunately, regexes don't always have the best performance. In this example, if there isn't an index on username, then we need to do a collection scan. We'd have to touch every single document in our collection and apply that regular expression against each of these documents. Like with traditional equality conditions, we can improve the performance of this query by creating an index on the queried field. Now we only need to apply our regular expression against every index key instead of against the whole document. While this will increase the performance of the query, we still need to look at every index key of our index. This somewhat defeats the purpose of indexes. Indexes are stored as B-trees because of their ability to reduce the search space to an ordered subset of the entire index. We can take advantage of this feature of indexes by adding a caret at the beginning of our regex condition. The caret means that we only want to return documents where the following characters start at the beginning of the string. In this case, I want to find documents where the username begins with Kirby. By doing this, we're effectively ignoring all of the branches of the B-tree that don't begin with Kirby. And so we're able to dramatically reduce the number of index keys that need to be examined and therefore increase our overall query performance. This might be obvious, but I want to point out that this optimization will only work if you're matching at the beginning of a string. For example, with this wildcard regex, we need to check every single index key because we can't limit ourselves to just where it starts with Kirby. There could be an index key that is A IRBY, or K IRBY, or R IRBY, or S RRBY. We have to look at all these index keys. Let's recap what we've learned. We've talked about how to utilize indexes using regular expression conditions in MongoDB.